Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So if you also are looking to supercharge the lead management process, then you are in the right place. Because yes, today I'm going to show you some amazing automations which you can create very easily with the help of Pabbly Connect to take your lead management process of the business to the next level. So these automations are related to automatically adding your Facebook, Instagram or Google ad leads to CRMs, effectively nurturing your leads with the help of automated email marketing and sending follow-up messages on WhatsApp to all the leads and clients automatically. And the best part is that all these automations are created without the requirement of any coding and programming skills with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you also want to learn these amazing automations, for that you have to come towards my screen. Welcome to my screen. So let's get started. I have created all these amazing automations without the requirement of any coding and programming skills, as I have told you, with the help of Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which helps us to create connections between different applications which we are using for our businesses to automate all our repetitive tasks without coding. Okay, so this is the home page of Pabbly Connect. We can reach over here by typing the URL pabbly.com/connect in our browser. After coming on this page, you can find two options: sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user like me, you can just directly click on sign in option to log into your account. But if you are a new user, you have to click on this sign up for free button to create your free new account. Also, when you will create your account, you will get 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. Now, I'm going to click on sign in option quickly. This is all apps section where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. So here we are going to use Pabbly Connect to create the automations. We have to click on access now. And it has taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So this is the dashboard where you are going to find all your workflows which you have created. And you can also create different folders over here to save your workflows separately and accordingly. You can see that I have created multiple folders. So I've created a separate folders for all the top lead management automations. So this is the folder, automations for lead management. I'm going to open the folder. So these are all the amazing automations which I'm going to show you today. Without wasting much time, let's get started. First of all, I'm going to open an amazing automation. This is add Facebook lead to your CRM automatically. Alright, so imagine you run a real estate agency and generate leads through Facebook lead ads. You are running an ad campaign on your Facebook page for generating the leads. Okay, now when you are generating these leads through Facebook lead ads, you can immediately assign these leads to your sales team for follow-up. This ensures that no potential client is overlooked and all leads information is accurately captured. How you can do that? By adding all your leads automatically to Salesforce CRM or any other CRM application which you are using for your business. And it is going to definitely save a lot of time. It is going to reduce the team efforts. It is going to increase the productivity of your team and provide instant access to your leads. So as soon as a lead will be generated from Facebook lead ads for your business, immediately that lead will be added to your CRM account. Okay, so what I have done here, I am running an ad campaign on my Facebook page and I have also created a lead gen form for that. And now as soon as a lead will be generated by submitting that lead gen form, immediately the details of that lead will be captured inside Pabbly Connect and automatically all the details will be added to Salesforce and a record will be created over here in the form of a lead. So in this way, you can add your leads to your Salesforce account or your any other CRM application which you are using. Okay, and you can create this automation quickly. It will take just 5 minutes to set up this connection. Once you will do that, everything will be automated after that. Okay, so this was an amazing automation. Now let's move forward towards the next automation. So now I'm going to open the next automation, that is automatically send follow-up messages on WhatsApp to all your Facebook leads. Let's say you own an online boutique or apparel store. Okay, so now you want that when someone express interest in your products through your ads which are running on your Google ads, Facebook ads or Instagram, any of the social marketing platform, then automated message is sent on WhatsApp to that lead for thanking them for showing the interest in your products and also to inform them about your products, catalogs. You can just send them the informative messages, discount related messages such as discount codes, welcome offer and etc. So how you can do that? Simply you have to set up connection between your Facebook lead ads, or if you're using Instagram or Google ads, then you have to set up the connection between that application with WhatsApp. And here I have used Interact for sending template messages, but definitely you can add any other API also, such as WhatsApp Cloud API, Wati, AI Sensei or etc. So what I have done, I have connected my Facebook lead ads where I'm running the lead gen form with Interact, and as soon as a new lead will be generated by submitting that lead gen form, then immediately the lead will be added to Interact and a WhatsApp message for thanking them will be sent. And after that, because we are creating and setting up this automation for sending follow-up messages to our leads, and that will be in the continuous process. So once a immediate message will be sent to the client or the lead, then automatically after some time, let's suppose I want to send the immediate follow-up message up till 3 days. So what I can do, I can apply delay over here in my workflow, and I can delay the workflow for 24 hours, and then after 24 hours again a message will be sent, and also in the same manner I can continue this workflow for continuously 3 or 4 days. Okay, or even if you want, you can use delay function to send the messages every month or every week to your clients or leads to follow them up and to convert them into payable customers. This immediate engagement can make leads feel valued and increase the likelihood of them making a purchase. Okay, so this was another automation. Let's move forward. The next automation is for you if you're using LinkedIn lead gen forms for generating the leads for your business. Okay, now let's suppose you manage B2B sales for a software company. So you can automatically add the leads which are generated from LinkedIn lead gen forms to your Flowdesk account, which is an amazing email marketing platform. So what you can do, you can simply set up a connection between LinkedIn lead gen forms and your email marketing application with the help of Pabbly Connect in such a way that whenever a form will be submitted by a lead, that means whenever a lead will be generated for your business, immediately that lead with all the details will be added to your email marketing platform. Then further you can follow up that lead and nurture the lead by sending communicative emails, welcome emails, of discount offer emails, and etc. And in this way, your sales team can also reach out to the potential clients by focusing on the interested group of clients who are interested in your software solution. It provides a seamless and efficient lead nurturing process and here you can just set up this connection within 5 minutes by setting up simple integration between these two applications and your work is done. So I hope this automation was also helpful for you. Let's move towards the next one. The next automation is also an amazing automation. This is add Google Ad leads to Brevo and Google Sheets. Now, this is an amazing dual integration automation which can help you a lot for lead nurturing. Now, imagine you are running a fitness center and use Google Ads to attract new clients who are interested towards fitness. Okay, with this automation, you can automatically transfer your leads which are generated through Google lead gen form to Brevo, which is also an amazing email marketing. And also, you can create a record of all these leads with all the details according to their preferences, the details of the lead location, etc. in Google Sheets to track the leads time to time, and all this process will be automated. Okay, so then further, when you have created this automation and the lead will be added to your email marketing platform in Brevo and a record will be created of all these leads, you can further follow up your leads by sending them welcome emails through Brevo. Okay, you can also send them promotional offers, and when you have created a record of these leads, you can definitely track them, and you can also then you will have the records such as phone number, email, name, location, their preferences. So you can also send them customized and personalized templates, product catalogs, service catalogs on WhatsApp even. Now here what I have done, I have simply set up a connection between Google lead form, Brevo and Google Sheets. So now as soon as a lead will be generated through Google lead gen form, then immediately the lead will be added as a contact in my Brevo account, which is an amazing email marketing. And further, a record will be created of the lead with all the details in Google Sheets as well. And all this process will be effortless. So here, once I have added my lead in my email marketing platform, I will be able to nurture my leads effortlessly by communicate with them further by sending them welcome emails, and this immediate communication will help me to reach out the goal and to convert my leads into customers. Okay, now we'll move forward towards the next automation. The next automation is definitely the popular one. As you know, Instagram has become a major source for marketing. So now we have the automation related to Instagram lead ads. If you are using Instagram lead ads for generating leads of your business, then this is helpful for you. Okay, now here I'm going to take another scenario. Let's suppose this time I run a travel agency and promote holiday packages through Instagram lead ads. Okay, now I can automatically add my leads which are generated through Instagram ad campaign to various CRM software, and it is very essential to add the leads in CRM to further nurture the leads, manage the leads effectively, and to convert them. So here I have set up a connection between Instagram lead ads and Salesforce, but you can definitely take any other CRM as well, such as HubSpot. Now when I've done that, as soon as a lead will be generated, instantly that lead will be added to my Salesforce CRM account as a contact. So here, as soon as I've added this lead into my CRM software, instantly I can follow up the interested customers by providing them detailed travel itineraries and booking offers, okay, and which can also improve sales process and customer satisfaction. So I can send the itineraries on WhatsApp, email, because I will receive all the details of the lead through Instagram lead ads. So I will be able to communicate with my leads further and to nurture and manage the leads to convert them. Okay, so these automations are really helpful if you are running your business online streamline, if you want to manage your leads effectively, effortlessly, and you want to focus on core activities of your business. So these repetitive tasks of adding the leads in CRM, sending follow-up messages could be automated at least, so that your team can focus on the core activities and achieve the desired goals. So this is an effective and efficient method of creating the automation, which I have told you. You can see I have created all these automations without the requirement of any coding and programming skills. You just have to use Pabbly Connect. For that, you will be able to connect your work applications effortlessly to automate all your repetitive tasks. And these were some of the top automations which I have taken for you in order to manage the leads. But we have a lot of automations created on lead management, lead nurturing, generating leads, and much more. We have also created a lead generation series on our channel, and all these automations which I have shown you in this video have a separate tutorial videos on our channel. So if you want to learn any of them, you can go and watch out on our YouTube channel Pabbly. Okay, so I hope these automations are helpful for you and clear to you. That's it in the video. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate multiple such applications without any coding or programming skills with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can reach out to us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any query, you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can reach out to the website given over here. Now, if you find this video helpful, do not forget to share it with your friends. And also, please like our video and subscribe our channel for more such amazing automations.